first thing I notice is that we have Riley's speed as 167 miles per hour. I want to convert that to feet per second. And so I'm going to use my dimensional analysis or unit conversions to help me do that. So I have 167 miles over 1 hour. I need to convert it to feet per second. So I'm thinking 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. My hours are going to cancel. And then I'll have one more conversion fact, and that would be 5280 feet over 1 mile, because 5280 feet is 1 mile, but I want the miles on the denominator so that it'll cancel with the miles in the numerator from the beginning. And then now I can look across. I have only in the numerator feet, only in the denominator seconds. So I can multiply those numbers out. I have 167 times 5280, and I get 881,760 over 3,600, and that's feet per second. Divide those, I get 244.93 repeating feet per second. If I needed to know that only, I could stop there, but I want to know how much time the opponent has to return the serve, so I need to use our formula. And that has 78 feet over 0.75 times the 244.93 repeating, and that's feet per second. And remember how we did our little trick, but we're going to end up with all the feet reducing, and our answer is just going to be in terms of seconds. Remember also that we may as well start with the denominator, since we have the 244.93 repeating sitting on the calculator. So just multiply it by that 0.75. And there I get 183.7. It works every time. It's beautiful. So I'll have 78 divided by 183.7. And then I can do 78 divided by answer. And I get a tiny 0.42 seconds. So rounded to the nearest tenth in this case. And we're talking about rounding to that second decimal place, and the 4 following means you don't have to bump the number up. And so 0.42 seconds for Riley's opponents to be able to react to his fastest serve, which is also the fastest men's serve in the world, I think.